This male African jacana has been left holding the babies. And since they hatched 2 days ago, he's taken them under his wing. Just like Dad's, their huge, splayed toes spread their weight over a large surface area, so they can almost walk on water. They venture deep into the lily field, feeding on flies. Dad treads a delicate line between allowing his chicks the freedom they need to grow and keeping them safe. They may be self-sufficient, but they're naive to danger. With polarized eyesight, African fish eagles see through glare reflecting off water and zero in on movement. When jacanas sense a threat, they usually scoop up their young and head for cover, but his chicks are scattered too far. So he sends out a secret alarm call, triggering an incredible anti-predator instinct. The chicks freeze. All Dad can do is hope they keep as still as possible. Once danger's past, he runs to pick them up. All back together, tucked in with Dad. When animals take on the challenge of raising young, it takes phenomenal skills to keep a family growing strong.